Today's video I show you guys how to speed up the Chrome download speed. As you can see right now I'm getting 6 to 10 Mbps in Chrome. To make it as 17 Mbps speed, just copy this download link using this icon and check my video description for free download manager. Select the download option, and after the download done, install the free download manager. Once installed done, open it, select this plus icon, just paste the link we copied, select OK. The same file, select this three dot icon and select the location where you want to save this file and select open, and name the file you want. Select the download option, and now I will show you guys pause this download. This download speed is 7 to 10 Mbps in Chrome. I'm gonna pause this thing. Now I will show you in the free download manager. It is 17 Mbps full speed. If I downloaded the same thing in Chrome, the download speed is slow after 2 GPs, like 500 KB to 1 Mbps. So this method works for me. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.